Okay, this is home-built generator controller transfer switch movie #1. We finally got this pretty much finished. Alright, I'm going to show you the electrical panel here. And what I've got going here is, here's 3, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th circuit here. This is my box that I built. Okay, it's got some LEDs and some status indicators on it. Show you, take a peek inside. This is designed to switch over 4 circuits in the house of my choice without properly disconnects the device, or I should say the circuit, from the utility, and then transfers it with control of the generator controller outside on the generator unit. It applies the generator power. Now these relays here that I'm showing with the 3 with the orange in the middle, those are the devices that are actually they will drop out, and then this bottom one will pull in. The 3rd one here on the bottom pulls in when the generator is when the controller transfers the generator output. So this is basically there's also a hardware interlock in here, so that if that relay here pulls in, if this pulls in and these two have not, you notice they're in right now, they're applied, it's a electrical interlock, so that they both cannot be on at the same time, otherwise it would be backfeeding. The top ones are pulled in because I've got green LED that says load power from utility. Green LED. The switch here, I can flip this down. I'm not gonna do the movie like that, because I'm gonna show how this actually works during a power failure. But that allows me to remotely start the unit, and the controller outside will start the generator, and it will do a what they call a test on transfer, which actually then switches, and these status indicators come on. It's called manual because it is. I mean, if I were to flip this down like that, keep it down there, the generator engine will start, and it'll warm up 3 minutes, and then transfer the load in here. And right now we have well, we've got our sump pump, we've got our furnace, you can hear that running in the background, we have our refrigerator, and we have a hall light circuit, which is the one over here. And that should provide, actually that's providing the lighting to the outside in the garage as well, because the hot leads exist from inside the house and they're fed outside. So I chose that circuit so that I can navigate, and I'll be able to actually throw a switch in the garage, which would then bring power back in for the garage, or to allow me to power up the garage door opener and so forth. So what I'm going to do here is put on my big light. You notice that's 0 because there's no current running through the generator lead. We're going to do a test here. Okay, I'm going to actually turn this off, and we're going to see. Everything will go quiet. Okay, everything went quiet, and we're green here. That means the generator is transferred. AC mains is disconnected. The controller out there has figured that out, and it should be any second here. It will start cranking. There she goes. I heard it. Well, we just gotta hold off. We gotta wait. You gotta wait the 3 minutes it takes for that to warm up and then do the transfer. Hopefully we got enough film here. I've actually disconnected the mains up there. The very top circuit breaker is my mains. I've actually turned that off. So this is typically what would happen. Power would fail. The generator is now running outside. I can hear it in the background. There's no indication on the panel here though yet that it's actually running. The green LED indicates that the mains has been disconnected from the controller in the garage. Okay, you can see everything else is out here. We're just going to wait for this to transfer. Well, maybe it isn't working. Let's see, I hear it sputtering and maybe it isn't running right. Well, it's failed. Something's wrong. So we'll have to go out there and find out what's wrong. I don't know what it is. Engine is not running, that's why it hasn't transferred, so we'll bring the power back. We'll have to try it again. Here's the UPSs down here, they're beeping. They should be. We're running on battery backup. Something is wrong. I don't know what. We'll see once. Turn this back on. And you can see that I immediately transferred back. So that's appropriate. Maybe it's out of gas, or maybe I got the gas line disconnected. So we'll see. Get back to you.